Hi, I'm Reinaldo and welcome to Reypurposed. Thank you for watching. This is my YouTube channel where I take you through my furniture making process and show you that any old piece of furniture can also be a custom piece of art. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel to see what's coming up next. Enjoy. Do you have really rambunctious guinea pigs that run around their cage all the time and kick all the hay and it lands on the floor and make a big ass mess for you? No? Too specific? Well, anyway, my friend Lori does. She has two giant guinea pigs in a really like almost floor to ceiling cage, and the cage is made out of metal. So when the guinea pigs are running all around, they're kicking all the hay and everything else outside of the cage. So that's what these two pieces are for. These are two guinea pig trays. It's a two-tier cage, so each of the beds to the cage has this whole big tray so that they won't make a mess of the floor. And as you can see right here, this is the hole for the guinea pigs to go from the top layer to the lower layer. This one right here is just the bed. It's the lowest lowest tray, so there's no need for a hole in this one, but there is a hole in that one. And what I did was I measured the cage, saw how the cage components work, decided that I must put a hole in here, measured where the hole was going to go, and pretty simple. This is a construction that I did where I didn't use any like studs, no 2x2s, no 2x4s, because we wanted the guinea pigs to still have as much room as possible. So instead of using wood studs, I used like this 3/4 inch plywood as the actual rim around, and just like kind of not screwed. I glued and nailed it instead of screwing. I usually like to use screws because the wood is thicker, like the 2x4s will be thicker. But because I wasn't using 2x4s or any kind of stud members, I use like the old school way, glue and nails. I just wanted to make sure it was a little bit more protected because this will be live animals running around this object, and I didn't want it to accidentally come apart or something. So I did implement some brackets on all four sides of each of the pieces. So the brackets are the only thing that's actually screwed. Everything else is just nailed in.
Finish that class, but that degree won't make me less set free. No, promise I'm saving some bucks so I could afford to just pay the fee. Addicted to living above my means, going on spending sprees. Good thing I'm hardworking, but in the end, is it worth it? To know it all, tends to lose control.
So before Ray came in, the floor of the top floor of our little guinea pig duplex was just kind of like metal grates, and that wasn't good for a few reasons. The guinea pigs are much messier than a chinchilla, and so they have a lot of droppings and then also require wood chips and hay. So that was kind of falling through the top floor of the crate onto the bottom floor, and then also it was kind of falling through the walls of the cage as well. So we asked Ray to make a floor that would allow for ramp access to the bottom floor and also allow for us to still open both doors for top and bottom so we can access their water, food, and get the guinea pigs out when we needed to. This also fits very tightly, so this will prevent any kind of debris falling, which was happening on the regular and making quite the mess for us. So thank you, Ray, for your expertise and quick build out, so that way our guinea pigs have a safe, clean, and not so messy home.
Thank you for watching my video. I hope you're enjoying it so far. Stick around, there's a little bit more. But I wanted to make sure you hit those like and subscribe buttons below to catch my latest content. I post twice a week, always every Monday and Thursday. And if you wanted to follow me on social media or get your very own Reypurposed piece, you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, Etsy, and Gmail under Reypurposed. Thank you and keep watching. This project is no way guinea pig specific. So if anyone has like a dog cage or a A lizard cage? I don't know animals. But if you have a caged animal and you want to reduce the amount of spread that's of this stuff coming out the cage, these are the kind of objects that you will need and be perfect for you. So if I were to make another one of these like animal cage tray kind of things, it will all be dependent on who the client is and what the animal is. And I'm sure there are specifics for each animal and each type of cage. But I'm up for it. I wonder what the next one's gonna be.